Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS gradient cards. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS gradient cards. Inside the body we want to add a div and class name is card1. Inside the div we want to add a head1 and inside this card1, and we want to add paragraph, program and press the tab. Copy this div and paste it 2 times, and we want to change this to, and this is card3. Save the file, refresh, the cards are visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh, the margin is OK. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and height 100 VH, width 100%, and we want add background color #262626 FF. So the file, refresh, the background color is OK. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display flex, flex direction column and justify content is space around, align items center and position is relative, and we want that height that was 350 pixel, width 250 pixel, and we want that margin 50 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, and we want that box shadow that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color was black, and we want that cursor, pointer, overflow, hidden. Save the file, refresh, the cards layout is OK. Let's start to style our H1. Color is white and font size is 40 pixel. Save the file, refresh, the heading is OK. Let's style our paragraph. Font size 18 pixel and font family sans serif, color is white and padding is 10 pixel and 15 pixel. Refresh, the paragraph is OK. Let's create div before. Inside this, content and display is block and position is absolute, height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel and bottom 80%, left 80%, and we want at border radius that was 15%. Next we want at z index -1, and let's create class card1 before, and inside this we want at background color that was deep pink. Save the file, refresh, that is visible. Let's create class card1 over before. Inside this we want add the animation name was slide1, duration is 0.5 seconds, linear forwards, and we want to create class card1 over. Inside this, transition property is all, transition delay is 0.5 second, and we want that box shadow, that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel, and the color is purple. Copy this line and paste it one time. Save the file, refresh. That is working. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name slide 1. Inside this 100%. We want that height, that was 350 pixel, width 250 pixel, and bottom is 0, left is also 0. And we want that border radius, that was 20 pixel, and background is linear gradient 45 degree, deep pink and purple. Save the file, refresh. The gradient effect is working. Let's copy this class card1 and paste it 2 times. Select this card1 and change it to, and we want to change this line, and this is slide 2, and we want to change this color green, and this is slide 2, and we want to change this color also. This was lime and this is green. Let's select this card1 and change it 3, and we want to change this background color, that was Doja blue, and this is slide 3. We want to change these colors also, that was royal blue, and this is slide 3. This is Doja blue and this is royal blue. Save the file, refresh. The gradient effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.